Move-in part 2. I have moved in everything, apart from a few little things, and I'm gonna sleep in here tonight. Most importantly, I brought my toilet devices, and hopefully we're gonna make it through the night. Stay. I forgot to mention that I bought a Dometic mini portable refrigerator. Only cost $1,000. Maya thinks we're going somewhere. Maya, I'm sorry, baby. Baby Maya, I'm not going anywhere, girl. Okay, these are the 2 side covers. The current temperature is 80 degrees. I think the high today was like 90, 89, 90. So it's a little warm in here. I'm gonna turn these on. A few miscellaneous stuff in there. I want the dogs to sleep up here so that they don't bother me. But I'm gonna have to figure out how to get them up here. I think they might be scared. And this might not be a great idea. I might clothesline myself and hurt my face or neck. Oh well, we'll see. Most importantly, pee-pee bottle. Hi, you up here by yourself? Wanna go to bed? Wanna go to sleep, Audrey? Go to sleep? The first full night in the van was really rough. The temperature was like 80 degrees and extremely humid. So we had a hard time sleeping because of that. I had a couple of my portable fans running, which helped a lot. But I don't think I slept. I think I slept maybe 3 hours or so. Audrey and Maya slept here and here. Audrey was super happy. She jumped right up and figured it out, but Maya was really timid, so I had to get down and lift her up every time she wanted to get up here. She was scared. But I think they had a hard time sleeping too because of the heat. I kept the car turned on and plugged in, so it was charging overnight, and had the 12-volt mini inverter plugged in, charging my phone, and that worked fine. The issue is it's just so hot in Texas still, so I don't know. I wish we could just be on the north side of the states. I wish we could like be in Wisconsin right now, and then I could just drive over. It's so hot here. Okay, I'm gonna take my blankets and a few things back inside, and gonna try to get some decent sleep tonight because I was so zonked out today. And so were the dogs too. That's the only bad thing about having everything in buckets, is that you have to dig everything out. Duh. tired. My dad asked me, can I just turn the car on and put the car AC on? And the thing is, I don't know exactly. I think I have to turn the car all the way on, and then it'll blow cold air. But then like a normal car, it won't blow cold air for too long. So it's not really a solution. So the only requirement I have for this little refrigerator is that it freezes goat's milk for the dogs. So I'm gonna test that out today. Huh, it's pretty cool. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which is weird. And there's a USB outlet right here. This is the smallest Dometic refrigerator that you can buy, and it was $1,000. So we'll see how it does. Alright, it's cold in here, 27 degrees. Perfect. Get that out of there. The temperature's at 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey Siri, what is the average temperature of a freezer?
Here's an answer from Wikipedia.
Okay, so I'm setting it to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see if it'll be able to freeze it in 3 to 4 hours. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see if the milk is frozen. Back. Good girl. Dave. Frozen solid. Yes. Works pretty well. Close that up. Ready for this, girls? Let's go. So, as expected, the Dometic worked really well. Let's see how much stuff I can fit in here. It's pretty spacious. Alright y'all, I'm gonna end the video here. We had our first night in the van. It was sort of successful. We're gonna start sleeping in the van more because there's a cold front coming through. And we got the fridge set up. It seems to work great. We just have to find a spot for it. I don't know how I'm gonna stick the bamboo sticks onto the ceiling. I have to do more building work for that, so I'm just gonna forget about it for a little while. But yeah, that's it for this week. In about a week or so, we'll be taking off to the Great Northeast, and I'm very nervous about it. I think I had a nightmare about it last night, but I don't remember any of the details, and I'm sure we'll be fine though. I wanted to address a question that I keep on getting, which is about the range of the van. So essentially the calculated range is now 170. As I keep driving it, it grows more and more. When I first bought it in June, it was 130, but I drive it not very often, kind of like as a daily commuter. It's not very heavy. I go very slow, so I think that calculation will continue to go up maybe. As far as the actual range, I really don't know because I'm not keeping track of it, but I want to say maybe 150, like as a rough average. And again, I think that really depends on your driving behavior and what you're towing. And I'm very conservative on all of that. I used to drive a Prius, so I drive very slow and like know all about the regenerative braking stuff. So I like to think that I'm getting a lot out of it in terms of the range. And I'm pretty happy, but of course, what is it called? Charge anxiety is a real thing, and that's going to be one of the main concerns on a long distance road trip. So we'll just see how it goes. I don't know. I found a cool tool called a better route planner. It's a really amazing tool that builds routes according to electric charging stations, according even specific to your model and car. And you can also customize it with like special stops, and also send it to Google Maps, which is the best part, because I, in previous road trips, have saved all the dog parks that we went to my Google Maps. So it's pretty perfect that I can still see all of those on top of the provided route planner. So that's going to be fun to test out, and I'm sure people will like to see that. But that's all for this week. Thanks for watching. Bye! Oh yeah, and the girls are happily eating their frozen goat's milk right now. You finished, Audrey? You already finished, Audrey? Wow, it was so fast, Audrey. Oh, Maya's still going. You finished, Audrey? Oh, you finished? Yummy, yummy in your tummy? Yeah? Yummy, yummy.